Just do a somersault.
Do a somersault on the couch.
Good job.
Okay.
Do it again. Do it faster this time. There you go. That's much better.
I'm cold again.
Alright, do it again. Oh, you're doing good. One more time for Daddy.
A best foot. Then a two.
Oh,
What's
yeah.
that up there on the wall?
A cock. Does it Halloween?
Is it big?
Yeah. It's all ginormous.
It's a ginormous what?
Cock.
You're a terrible parrot.
I promise we don't teach her these things. She comes up with this on her own. I can't make this up.
Nobody can make that up.